Morning friends. Good morning friends. Today we will see how to change the particular index value in the list and how to retrieve the range of index value or change the range of index value. So let's try. First we specify the list of three fruits, apple, mango and orange. With the help of print function and a list variable, we display the list element in the list. In order to change the first element in the list, we have to specify the index value and then assign the value to the variable like this. List of 0 index is equal to banana. Now we have been assigned at index value 0 banana in place of apple. Let us try to execute the line of instruction, and we can see we replace the first element in the list, that is apple, with banana by specifying the line of instruction, that is list of 0 is equal to banana. In the same way, we specify the range from 0 to 3 and change whole list, that is first element will banana, then second element will pineapple, and third element will be chiku. Now let us try to execute the line of instruction. Here we can see that with the help of specifying the range of list and assign the 3 element to the list, we can change the existing list with the new list element, like apple, mango and orange will be changed with banana, pineapple and chiku. So hope you can understand the concept. Thank you very much.